Paul Revere wasn't just a midnight rider, he was a leader among the Sons of Liberty, rallying Boston's mechanics and spreading the call for resistance. His warning ride would ignite a movement and change history forever. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where we look at the exciting history behind the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Paul Revere was born in colonial Boston, a devoted husband, father of 16, and a man shaped by discipline and hard work. By trade he was a master silversmith, crafting fine household and church pieces, but his skills extended far beyond the bench. Revere was also a printer and engraver, quietly spreading patriotic ideas through images and words when open rebellion was still dangerous. A gifted mechanic and innovator, he cast bells, worked iron, and later helped establish America's first copper industry. Behind the scenes, Revere served as a trusted courier and intelligence operative for the Sons of Liberty, carrying vital information between Patriot leaders. In April 1775, he rode through the night to warn that British troops were marching on Lexington and Concord, a moment that would echo through history. Yet his service did not end there. Revere continued to serve throughout the Revolutionary War as a messenger, artillery officer, and military organizer. His legacy is not defined by a single ride, but by a lifetime of craftsmanship, courage, and unwavering commitment to American liberty embodied by Paul Revere.